Tired of squinting at your phone screen while building your Monopoly empire? We're about to level up your game by showing you how to download and play Monopoly Go on your PC or laptop. First things first, you'll need an Android emulator. These are programs that let you run Android apps on your computer. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and Old Player. Do a quick Google search best Android emulators to find one that fits your needs and your computer's specifications. They're all generally free to download and use. Once you've chosen your emulator, head to their official website and download the installer. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This might take a few minutes, so grab a quick coffee. After the emulator is installed and running, you'll see a typical Android home screen. Find the Google Play Store icon. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, the same one you use on your phone. This is crucial to access and download apps in the Google Play Store. Use the search bar at the top and type in Monopoly Go. Hit enter, and the game should appear as the top result. Click on the Monopoly Go icon to open the app page now. Click the install button. The emulator will start downloading and installing the game. Just like it would on your phone, this may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Monopoly Go icon on the emulator's home screen. Click it to launch the game. You can now enjoy Monopoly Go on your PC or laptop. Most emulators allow you to customize keyboard controls for a more intuitive gaming experience. Experiment to find what works best for you and dominate the board like never before. Happy gaming!